Adoption of software as a service and unified communications as a service is skyrocketing, with the rise of work from home being a major factor. Companies without unified communication services had to quickly spin up SaaS licenses with little planning or oversight, resulting in oversized invoices and significant levels of waste. We've put together a step-by-step process to help you develop a strategy that includes real-time visibility into usage and costs, automation to drive efficiency, and optimization to ensure continued success over time. Step 2. Manage. Now that you understand your UCaaS environment, in Step 2 you will develop structure around SaaS expenditure and usage. Create automated workflows and standardized processes to oversee your UCaaS environment more efficiently. Develop reports based on speed and consumption to drive more efficient usage. Rationalize the effective cost per user based on the plan they're in, whether individual, pool, or enterprise level. A single interface that integrates directly with other platforms offers oversight of any size SaaS deployments and enables easy and intuitive onboard/offboard processes. To learn every step of the process, visit Calero.com.